Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your WordPress admin panel password from your cPanel if you forget it. Hope you enjoyed this video. So let's start the video. Guys, you may recover your WordPress admin panel password by clicking on lost your password. But guys, sometimes we are unable to recover password by submitting username or email address. Also, sometimes WordPress take a long time to send recovery email to the email address. But it is really super easy to change WordPress password from the cPanel. For this, you no need to remember or submit your old password. Guys, I really forget this website password. If I show you, this is my probable password. Okay, here you can see this password not working. So to change the password, go to your website cPanel, then go to the database section and click on phpmyadmin. Now at the left side you will find your website database name. This is my website database. Click on the plus symbol to expand the database. After expanding the database, find WP user, click on it. So here you can see this is my admin panel password. It is showing like this because it is encrypted. This is my username and this is my password. Now to change this password or submit a new password, click on edit. Here you can see my password is showing, it's encrypted. Now type your new password here. I like QQ123. Guys, I have already tried this password but it did not work. Okay, my new password QQ123. Now if I click on go, then QQ123 will be set as my new password. But guys, my password will not encrypt it, which is really risky. Here you can see that my password is showing and it's not encrypted. So if anyone accesses this database, then he will know my website password, which is really risky. So when you set your website admin panel password from here, then from this list must be select MD5. This will encrypt your website password. Okay, here you can see my password is encrypted. Now no one will know what is my password. Now guys, let's see my new password work or not. My password was QQ123. Okay, login. Okay guys, here you can see my admin panel dashboard. So in this way you can change your WordPress website admin panel password from your cPanel. It is really easy. So that's all for today. Try to like, share and subscribe. Comment below for any question or suggestion. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.